Today I am with Aman Gupta. Aman Gupta is a senior structural engineer with Jacobs. So let's do some chit chat with Aman. First of all, thank you so much, Aman, for giving me this time. I have a couple of questions for you. First question, could you tell us about yourself?
Hi. So as Max said, I'm Aman Gupta, and brief about me is I'm civil structural engineer. I did my bachelor's in civil and structures from Nagpur University, India. I did my master's in structural engineering from Delhi University, India, and then in this industry I'm around 10 years. EPC industry. My experience is around 10
What's
years.
the EPCM industry?
Okay, so it's engineering, procurement, construction, or construction management.
That's
so
good.
The major players here in Calgary or Canada are Wiley Parson, Jacobs, Floor, AMAC. So these are and fifth is SNC. So these five main EPC players or EPCM players are there here for us, like engineers like us. And after this, first of all, I would like to thanks Max for doing all this, taking all the efforts, taking all this time out and doing this for everyone. It's something like bread and butter is one thing, but living with dignity is another thing, and that's what Max is helping each other. And so let's thanks Max for this. And I guess everyone should listen to these things. It's really good. I keep following this on his Facebook. So coming back to the point, so when I landed to this country, it's actually a beautiful place, very good people, but we people from Indian subcontinent, be it Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka, we guys have a different mindset, different exposure, different kind of insecurity. We need to adopt the culture here, need to understand the requirement. So it takes time, lot of time, patience. And I'll say the flexibility is also one thing, and your presentation. So you need to focus on these things. First of all, you need to relax, understand what they want, what exactly they are looking for you, what you need to incorporate in yourself. So when you go for looking a job or something, first be clear, show clearly what you have, and then be flexible. Just don't say that no, I won't do this or that. So just think about your words, be prepared. They call it here, do your homework. So this is the term which you will keep hearing if you get involved in all these process. And there is one more suggestion. There are agencies, immigration agencies here, a lot of them. The best one in Calgary I found is Direction for Immigrants, particularly for engineers. If you, I've been to that place. It's Bow Valley South Campus currently. That's where it is located. They have very good mentors. They will take care of your CV, your resume, lots of other activities. They will build the confidence in you which you need if you are lacking. I mean, so or they will polish your skills. And I still remember one important thing. You just call somebody and say, I'm civil engineer, landed from this country, and I'm looking for a job. The first thing is the receptionist is going to say, no, we don't have a requirement. You won't be connected to the department manager. So these are the things which you need to understand, and these are the people, these immigration agencies, which will polish these skills. So you can land there.
Okay, what kind of hurdles have you faced when you landed to this country?
First of all, it was hard to understand what's exactly happening.
Can you elaborate more, like what you are trying to say?
Yeah. You are new to this place. You don't understand. It's not like every house looks same. So it's hard to understand what's exactly is around you. And
is there communication? Is there weather? Are the people? Or the attitude of the people? What you are trying to say?
Everything is different here. It's a different geographically. It's a different place. Weather is for sure. It's different. You can see snow. You can see sun. You can see rain in the same day. So it's totally different. And people here are really good, but sometimes they are also scared. And how you present yourself, and you said And like so in nutshell, it's altogether different experience. So my suggestion is, when you land here as an immigrant, especially, you don't have a job, you don't know the direction, so treat yourself like a baby, go easy on you. So it's every day, like 1 day baby, 2 day baby in Canada. So take time, take your time, don't rush, don't listen to the bad stories.
But people have some limited amount of money, right?
Yeah.
So if they go with the baby steps, their money will be run out, then they will be freak out. So
Yeah.
how they can mitigate this problem?
That's a very good point, Max brought. So regarding the monetary thing, see, first plan how long you can survive. So I tell you what I did. In the Monday to Friday, I used to do job hunt, morning to evening, and Saturday, Sunday, evening, 2 days, I used to do job. So that can be Walmart, that can be any job which suits you. If you don't want much tiring job, then go for a security job. So that's the easiest. You get 10, 11, $12, and that will keep you running. So you have to plan accordingly how long you can.
So you are saying if someone comes and he is running out the money, then he has to work like in a day or in the evening, finding a job.
Yes.
Then in the afternoon or in the weekends, he can go for an odd job, at least to have his bread and butter
Yes.
on it, right?
Yes. What I'm trying to say is, Monday to Friday, just like your normal engineering job, you have to make a job search like a job. So you have to search your job like a job. You have to pack your tiffin in the morning, leave your house, and you have to come back in the evening. You have to look for all the venues. You have to keep meeting people. Networking is important, and I know it's hard when you don't know anybody. So it's hard. So it's a vicious circle, but that's
So
what you have to
one
come
more
out.
question: if somebody is coming, especially around structural engineering, does he need to know some different software which is different than India, Pakistan, Bangladesh versus Canada? Is there any different software or the same software?
See, softwares are mainly same. There is not much different, but there is a. In India, mostly we use STAD, and here in Canada we have S-Frame. It depends which company. Like Floor still uses universally the same software, Lisa everywhere.
So you are saying mostly the software which we use here, like STAD, S-Frame, Risa 3D, SAP in some companies. So all those software can be used here.
Yes, they are all almost same. All the softwares are same, so it doesn't matter much. And believe me, the department manager or the hiring manager also knows that you are from different geographical location, and you know all these things, and it's just a matter of time, and they give you enough time. So just be confident and keep looking, and meet people like Max who can motivate you, who can direct you in the right direction which is required, rather than meeting somebody who will just say no, you won't find. Because it happened with me, like people will say you won't find an engineering job here, and you start believing, yeah, that's the fact, but that's not the fact. It's so easy. Just try it, give it some time, go in the right direction.
So what's the biggest difference in atmosphere from back home to Canada in working environment I'm talking about? Is there any big difference?
Yes, certainly. Here it's like people have such a good attitude, good mindset. They don't bother you. They respect your privacy. They respect you. They try to believe you. So that's the main thing. So, and they try to help you in the times of need. It's not like everyone for himself. So there is a lot of difference.
So you are saying we have a better environment, working environment here than the back home. That's good. Is there any other comments, suggestions, something you want to add on it?
Well, for structural engineering.
Oh, yes, particularly structural engineering.
Yeah, I'll say that there is just sharp. Just whenever you are making resume and cover letter, put all the keywords which is required in the resume, and particularly you know, like if someone has done work in Indian subcontinent, nothing is different here. It's the same work, same rules of science, and APAGA is required definitely, which we have forgotten, and it's again a vicious circle. They will, but again you have to do it. You have to apply it, whatever is the result with time. So do it before start finding the job, because that will reflect a lot on your resume. And for structural, like I don't see any other difference like which you have to mention, but just be confident and don't say that I don't know steel or I don't know concrete. Just be confident, whatever you have done, believe in yourself. That's all that's the key only.
Okay, thank you. Is there anything final comments, anything you want to add on it, or that's be it?
Well, again, I like to say thanks to Max for taking all the efforts and doing all this. It's not a easy. Believe me, living in this country, you are always short of time. So it's really thankful, and I'm really happy he included me as a part of this. So now I can. He made my day actually. I'm feeling so good and proud that I did something. Even little things matter. So
No, it's not a little thing, it's a big thing. And I hope the people or folks who are going to listen this will enjoy it and learn something from it. Thank you so much, Aman.
thank
Thank
you,
you.
Max.